You know? I don't mess with anybody, but
Hey, Scott.
Stuff's got to go.
I've already.
It's got to be moved within the next 30 minutes. If not, the trash truck's coming to pick it up.
Really? All right.
I'm just telling you.
My attorney's already written the parish a letter saying you got to have a warrant.
Ain't no problem. You're under a state emergency right now, so we have all the right in the world to get stuff because it's a hazard to the community.
Well,
he 30 minutes.
He had to be,
Scott Lott.
and he had to be notified before anybody removes anything or trespasses on his property.
You got 30 minutes.
So they could have notified
you have 30 minutes
before
to
they
move
took
it.
things.
If not, we're going to be doing it.
They could have.
You understand that charges are being pressed against you, right? For trespassing and
30 minutes.
and theft.
It's going to be
Do you understand that?
The trash.
Do you also understand, Mr. Lott, that the parish has been written a letter by an attorney notifying you that anybody on this property is trespassing from the parish? Number two, do you realize that I'm fighting insurance, but anything that you remove that insurance can't count for loss, the parish is responsible for it. You understand that? Okay. So you, Mr. Scott Lott, are ordering this, correct? After an attorney has already advised the parish that anybody on this property is trespassing. You understand that, correct?
The parish attorney gave us authorization to do this.
They didn't.
Our parish attorney gave us authorizations to do what we're doing.
On this property, they named this property.
108 Vista Drive.
Okay.
Correct.
Where's the warrant then? Where's the authorization from the attorney?
Go speak to Mr.
No, sir. Before you trespass, you have to show me proof that
go
you have
see
permission.
Mr.
No, I don't see anybody.
Okay,
you have to issue me a warrant first.
I'm just telling you what I'm going to do.
Okay. Well, you understand what I'm going to do too, correct, Mr. Lott? All right. You understand that an attorney has written authorization?
Do what you got to do. We're going to do what we got to do.
Okay. So you realize that you're responsible for any loss.
Put it to the curb.
You realize that you're responsible for any loss that the insurance can't claim.
30 minutes. If it ain't picked up, we're going to do it.
Correct? Do you understand that? You understand that, Mr. Lott?
I got it, buddy.
You do?
I got it, buddy.
All right. Good. I'm glad you understand that.
Call the police.
I'm not gonna get in your business. You took pictures of all your stuff? You didn't take pictures of all your stuff?
Yeah, but they said to leave it there.
Yeah.
Because the adjuster needs to come.
I think the pictures speak louder than words. All that stuff got wet, you know?
Huh?
All that stuff got wet, you know?
Yeah, no. I still need it though for the contents money.
We need a deputy at 108.
They're already on their way. They're already on their way.
Thank you.
You realize those wires alone are about $400, correct?
No problem, buddy.
You realize that?
I really don't care.
You really don't care? Okay. Good to know. So when did the attorney give you permission to trespass? Like you're doing right now? As soon as you got here, the attorney. Okay. And, which attorney was that? Who?
Rennie Buren.
All right.
You can see it right now. Thank you.
Just advising a resident 21 at 108 Vista Drive. The other half of that complaint is called on to make a complaint in reference to parish employees on his property.
442 Scott. You contact Scott Lott.
No, I don't need that.
Jim Boy.
Everybody want to do with the dog pen.
Huh?
You want to go on the curb? You want to take your dog pen?
Yeah.
Put it back in your truck.
That's brand new.
You don't want it in your truck,
$400.
yeah.
I can't. I'm gonna do that. I can't have it in my truck.
You can't put it in your truck?
No, I need that.
Oh, okay.
Look, it's not to the street.
You realize that that's parish property, right? So you're throwing away parish property? That's $4,000 of parish property.
842.
No, I'm not. You are, because you're trespassing, and I don't even have a chance to remove my stuff. All right. Sir, you don't have permission to be in my backyard.
Do you have a chance to run the subject?
You understand?
You heard what I said?
Did you hear what I said?
I heard what you said.
So you're in my backyard without permission? All right. Trespassing. Look at this. What department are you with, sir?
Plaquemines Parish government.
Yeah, what department of the
Director of
government?
Operations.
All right.
What department you with?
EMS.
Okay. You want to do it right now?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Alright, 140 comes back to Eric Stevens, Class E. Correction, Eric. Who's calling?
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good step. If I get an emergency, can you stay and handle this for me?
Yeah, but the police are coming to speak to you right now.
Yeah, but if I get a call,
Well, if you get a call, there's much you can do unless he hasn't called. You want to throw that in your truck?
Yeah.
So you want the big ball.
Told them they don't have permission to be here. I came here to pick up the stuff. They're throwing it away. Told them that it's on my property. I've already have a written letter to the parish saying that they can't trespass, which they are trespassing right now. Didn't give me any notice to pick up the stuff. He's been in my backyard. I have it all recorded. I told him several times that he's trespassing and that I am going to file charges. He continued to go in my backyard and on my property. It's all on video.
Told us that he has a judge's order, and we said we'd like to see copies.
Yeah, I said that I need a copy of the judge's order.
Documents. You just can't trespass on somebody's property without written documents. No matter if you're police, FBI, parish, or nothing, you can't. You cannot trespass without warrant or without cause. Cause would be like a deputy entering because somebody's in the property. There are policemen to fire. Other than that, they have to put a 10-day notice and have actually a court case set, and there is none.
Give me 1 second, I'm gonna come back.
All right.
There was a guy on scene that was causing the problem. Second half of the complaint call and about
Now, they come up with the judge's order.
Yeah, if they come up with a judge's order, then it's legal.
It's a state of emergency. A judge can't sign it.
Mm-hmm. Well, he's calling the attorney right now. He's on the phone with the attorney and said, I'm going to send you some pictures to get an order. He's on the phone, Remy.
Yeah.
I'm going to send you some pictures so we have an order for this. This is exact words,
See if
and
we hear it.
I'm sure they
You have it recorded on there?
Yes.
See if I can get a phone number, Judge Michael Clements.
Yeah, I'm going to move it. It's not a threat from wind anyway. Huh?
I'll call her on her cell. Thank you.
Huh? Going home? Drink soup. Huh?
Why would I have the police here?
Oh, I called you here.
Oh, okay. I'm like, what was wrong? Why? They're trying to take the sheriff?
It's illegal. I already have an attorney that wrote them the letter.
Wait, they're taking it right now?
No, once they leave, it's going back on the property. No, I called
At your own freaking...
Oh, okay.
You got your camera? Take pictures.
I got my video on.
30 minutes. Hey, I'm gonna move that. What's the trunk?
The director of operations going to go to jail.
They're stopping it?
Well, if they take it, there's a lawsuit.
Make sure you're all right. Need anything?
What's up, Grant?
What's up, man?
Yeah. Whenever Scott got here, told him that he was trespassing, so I came here to put the stuff away because I'm still waiting on insurance to come to take pictures to give me the contents.
Right.
And he said, nope, it's too late. I got video of him taking pictures inside of my dwelling, which there's no reason to take pictures inside
And
of my
now
dwelling.
he's trying to...
Man, hey, I'm gonna tell you what, step back while I'm talking to
I
him.
apologize.
Step back while I'm talking to him.
And I got videos of him in my backyard
Right.
after telling him not to, going into my shed, which in the intact dwelling, there's no reason to be going in there,
Right.
and I want to press charges. And I had...
Look, I understand completely where you're coming from, you know what I'm saying? But before we jump to doing something, I want to make sure I'm doing the right thing for either side, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Trust me, if you don't have a right to be here, then we'll do something. But I want to make sure before I make a decision, I get myself in a crack too, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And then I asked him too, I said, do you have, I said, if you got a judge's or attorney's order to come do it, that's fine, just give me the paperwork. And he said he does. Then I have him on video after y'all got here on the phone with the attorney saying, hey, I'm going to send you some pictures and see if we can get an order while they're removing the trash before they even had it.
All right, I mean, as long as you have your deal, you know what I'm saying? Let me call, give me a couple minutes to call our legal side, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Make sure that it's criminal, not civil, especially since they filed a state of emergency type deal, because I think that's what they're trying to go off of. Not to say that you don't have a right on that part, you know what I'm saying?
So I was going to put the stuff in the trailer, and whenever they got here, all the stuff was behind the trailer, was fixing to go into the trailer.
Right.
And they took my stuff out of my hands, and I have that on video also, him saying that it's his now.
Okay. Let me make a couple more calls, but you know, I'm gonna make it right as
I know,
far as, you know that.
Thanks.
Okay.
came here to pick my stuff up, put in the trailer. Instead, they tell me I can't.
I just got in touch with one of the detectives who has a lot of respect for me because I did a lot of famous stories. And he's making some phone calls right now.
Who is it?
John Benet.
Y'all find any more wires, speaker wires like that? Let me know. They're very
Got a
expensive.
lot different too if they would have gave you a call and say, hey, it's a state of emergency, we want to come clean your property for nothing or whatever. And you came here and say, okay, yeah, you can throw that away. It would have went down a lot different because you wouldn't have had a problem with them doing this if you could have recorded everything, you know?
Well, the thing is, I was coming here to put everything inside the trailer.
Can't do it. Look, there's some wire.
That's why everything was
There's an extension cord right here.
That's why everything was put behind the trailer, because I was coming here to put it in the trailer. It's got locks on me, I couldn't.
It doesn't matter though. You're not above the law. That's those kids' toys away. What about other people?
I know, huh? So y'all are going in my backyard even though there's a fence? What about the flower pots across the street? What about the flower pots across the street? Wait.
Have your attorney call our attorney. I'm not here because I want to be here, buddy. I can promise you that.
Well, look, the flower pots weigh a lot less than this stuff.
Listen to me. I'm just doing what's told for me to come to.
But it's illegal. So
But it's illegal.
if somebody tells you to go shoot somebody, you're going to do it?
Tell somebody to go do that to your house.
Listen to me. Number one, at my house, I wouldn't have stuff like this in my house.
Did you notice a house burnt down?
But it's total.
Well, then you're right. But I'd at least clear my But that's what they have to do.
Yeah, but I was coming here to do that. Everything was behind the trailer when your people arrived. When I came here to put it inside of the trailer, you told me I
I'm
couldn't.
not your fault. This here.
You can't. Put it this way.
It's illegal.
Nobody's
Okay. Oh no, throwing a window screen away?
Oh, man, man, with me.
Oh no, Johnny, it has nothing to do with you.
You know me, I'm doing my job.
Got you on a chair. No, Johnny. Ain't going anywhere. You can get me off of it. That's fine.
We'll get you in jail for interfering if you have to, buddy. I can promise.
For offenses in my yard that you're not giving me time to move.
Get it and go. You had 4 months. I don't even know how long it's been. You have plenty of time.
The parish did not give him a notice to move them. There's a law. They have to give a notice. And then they see a judge and they see a court.
If you're gonna put all that stuff in that container, you need to start doing that because I'm telling you.
Well, I am, but
Okay.
you're not giving me a choice. This is
Start getting
more
that in
than
that
that.
thing because I'm telling you, at 4 o'clock, everything that's loose around here is gonna be put in that trail.
All right, so you give me 30.
I've given you 30 minutes. I told you 30 minutes, okay? So instead of just
You told me
up here
30 minutes and then you put
instead
it
of
all on the
talking
street.
instead of here talking, why don't you start doing some production?
Well,
and
because I
start
came
doing
here
it?
to do that,
Well,
but
then,
instead
well, then
you all
start
put it up
doing.
front.
Then start doing it and stop arguing.
This guy in a white shirt.
Huh? Who's that?
Who's that?
Who is it?
I don't know.
Oh, that's the attorney he called.
Huh?
That's the attorney he called.
State of emergency, you have an order on that too, right?
I would think so. Will you help me put that fence in my backyard?
Yeah. We'll put it inside the house.
shed?
Put it right inside the door.
I don't know if it's gonna fit.
It's
real
still piled
high.
inside the door? Oh no, it fits all the way through that door.
You think?
Yeah.
I'm so thirsty.
Now they're threatening to arrest him or stop him if they take it to the stuff, and then that's going to get real heavy here, real quick. Innocent people are going to go to jail. Please give me a call back.
This is the point we're at now. Obviously, you have your pictures, you took your videos. Okay, I'm getting a statement from the parish stating that obviously this stuff is not.
Well, the thing was, it was behind an open trailer. My intent, I put it there yesterday.
But hear me out. Okay, I'll get you to write a statement on the whole 9 yards. Okay. The reason being that we're under state of emergency, they're telling me, and I'm not saying I agree or disagree. They're telling me they have the right to come remove anything that tends to be a projectile and harm anything, blah, 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 under the state of emergency, okay? I'm gonna document it. I'm gonna have pictures of whatever the stuff is, okay, along with your pictures. If for some reason on the civil side, you know what I'm saying, that you go on the civil side, you're more than welcome to sue us too, you see what I'm saying? But if it comes down to the point that they say, if your attorney or whoever you speak to says, no, the parish is wrong, then at that point, we'll file criminal charges at that point if that's what it takes. Okay? But the whole thing's gonna be documented. Like I said, I'm gonna get pictures.
Too that I said that it was all.
I'm gonna get you to write. I'm gonna let you write a statement. You write your own statement. But you know what I'm saying? It just under that state of emergency, technically they can go to every business and tell them shut down. Okay?
Okay.
And then we'll go from there.
Now he said about me pulling things out that I'm gonna put in my trailer, he's gonna have me arrested. Because now it's parish property that's on the curb. Is there any truth to that?
That's all he asked. He says, you present a legal document and we're good. But they're not.
Mike. Tell him too, everything was behind this trailer with intent to go inside of it.
Give me a call back because I mean, I hate to get fucking arrested. Without a warrant, without any written documents, without any court order. You know, this is liberty. You can't reach somebody's liberty. In writing. And they're not considering their justice. They're just saying this is what it is. Look at the police.
And taking pictures inside my dwelling and inside of my shed.
They went inside the property, they went in the backyard, they had stuff in their truck that they were well, he's going to file a lawsuit.
Trying to get backhoe.
Okay. Okay. So these are good morning. Great. Thank you. You get it?
Thank you, Mike. Slow down a little bit. I'm going up.
What did that person say you were talking to?
He says, he talks to the deputy, and they're trying to say something about a state of emergency. I said, well,
That's what Grant told me.
I said, but understand this, even with a state of emergency, there is court orders. Nothing in writing. He said they're presenting nothing.
Grant told me that if it was up to him,
Who's Grant?
the one I told you to get away, the
Yeah.
rank, said if it was up to him, he'd press charges. I don't think he likes Scott, but he said that his rank is telling him since it's a state of emergency, not to mess with it right now, but bring it to civil. And if the attorney says yes, or if the judge says yes, it was criminal, then the police will press charges on Scott.
I wouldn't press civil on him. I'd press criminal on him. Because you asked him first, and it's on tape, and he said he had a warrant. He had a judge's orders, and he didn't.
Yep, got him on the phone asking for one. Don't close yet. I'm gonna make sure there's nothing else.
The stuff in the truck that they were taking. That's
The
that.
tire, the muffler.
What's that?
I got that back there.
No, I mean, that is Yeah, that's who you are. Can do that.
Like in the middle of it.
Get something to reach you.
Do we have a line there? Behind it?
Yeah.
Pull it in the middle. So they don't fly out.
So y'all tearing down parts of the house?
There's projectiles, flying projectiles that's hanging. They're scared if the wind comes in and gets them. They'll shoot them off if we hurt somebody.
Okay.
Mark, Ken Dugas.
How you doing?
Hey, Mark. Engineering.
It's me.
Same here.
Go.
Remember the name Ken Dugas.
Say it again.
Ken Dugas.
Ken. Why?
That's who that is. Find out a little bit more about him. He's in engineering. I don't know what his what anything is. You know.
Oh.
You know? Yes, sir. I was going to say I'm clear if you want me to head that way. We go, man. Come on. Careful.
Thursday.
Are you still around the GNR?
He's solid waste. Mark Hingle. There you go. So what did the deputy tell you?
He told me that
They're just not going to pursue it.
he said he wants to press charges, but he was on the phone with his rank on what his rank was, and he said he can't touch him because it's a state of emergency. But he told me he had my attorney press charges. If the judge says that it was criminal, then he's going to write it in his report too that he's going to have him arrested.
I wonder if his rank is Kevin Johnson.
I know Kevin.
Huh?
I know Kevin.
We'll call him Kevin. You want to talk to him?
Not right now. I'm kind of pissed off. Might come off like an asshole.
What insurance is telling you?
To leave the stuff where it was so they can put a value on it.
Why they haven't been here?
They have, but we're fighting it because they sent out 2 adjusters. The first adjuster said total everything.
Right.
The second adjuster said, oh no, $30,000 for contents and the house will be repaired with $80,000.
Okay, send me a third.
Right? That's what we're in the process of doing now. They were supposed to come out today, but because of the storm, it's not. So yesterday, everything was moved behind that trailer, and I was coming here to move everything from behind the trailer into the trailer. When I pulled up, they were here.
What's your insurance max?
135 for the structure and 67 for content.
131 copy of 62 AND1.
Look at it this way. With them taking it, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look.
1904 Engineers Road. This is a door-to-door off
I'd like to
promotion.
say, hey, look, y'all told me leave it right where it was at. This is what happened under state of emergency. This is what I can prove that was at my house. I want the 67th Avenue. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it may be a bus, and trust me, I understand your frustration. I want to do what's right. You know what I'm saying? But
But I don't know how they could take something from your property when you tell them you're coming there to move it.
I think it's under that state of emergency, because if not, they wouldn't have did it. They would have did it before versus now. You know.
10 block.
Like I said, just under that state of emergency.
140, go code 4.
I don't know if there's complaints coming in. I'm getting all of that stuff now. You already called the attorney and said, look, any documentation that you have, state of emergency thing, you know, leave with the deal. I'm gonna get a statement from them.
131, I just got a request for cancellation by operator 88, Privilege Michael.
So I wonder if they're removing wood and stuff, if the roof comes off, the insurance denies it, if he's responsible for that.
They can document everything and you can get write a statement to what they do. The parish can write a statement on what's going on and what they did.
Are you guys still being route to the alarm room?
Damn, they got enough cops here?
the house.
Thank you.
Man, you're using a lot of force, huh, Johnny? I don't see wind taking that down. Look at the amount of force we're having to use.
Okay, can you Bruce help me a deputy as soon as possible to the job? We're putting regular time to
call later and drop it off or whatever. Every time you go into it, I'm off actually. Come on tomorrow, but we've done that, you can call Tom or somebody or the people who works with me. I'm sure we do that or we can read up tomorrow. What charges are exactly what happened. I'm going to say, state of emergency, you know, how they did.
There ain't nothing against y'all or any of the people working either, you know that.
Oh, no, right.
The amount of force he had to use to get that stuff down. Well, it's going to blow off. You'd be on the stop for that, and if you get too much force, so yeah, 40 mile an hour wind or anything.
I got to get it anyway, right? I do it here. Because it was too fast to put up there.
Oh, did it work for the power?
I'm just saying, I'd be in jail. Because I'd be sitting out there with my gun and say, you have to arrest me.
What's up, Seaport?
What's up, man?
What's up, dude? How you been? Right. You getting off too or getting on? What y'all think gonna happen with that storm? I think the same thing for Isaac, though. That's why I ain't saying that no more. But the same thing with Isaac. I'm like, ah, oh, category 1. Holy shit.
I'm gonna go down the street and turn around.
We just told him to move it.
Alright, we good here?
Yeah. Just
calling for the bullshit.
No, it ain't nothing. Just like I said, get the statement. We'll put everything together and it's yours, you know.
I just want something so that whenever
No, there ain't no problem. There ain't no problem. Like I said, to be honest with you, between me and you, you know, and not speaking anybody's names out here, just me and you talking, I think you'll make out better with the insurance being that they came to take it. That's my opinion. You know, people might tell you differently, but yeah. You know, second look.
Hope you don't think I'm crazy or something.
I don't give a shit, dude. Trust me, that's what we're here for. You know, if that was the case, I'd have showed up and said, dude, I can't do nothing, turn around and left, you know?
Well, at least you didn't get a call.
But from my understanding, I don't have the documentation. It was neighbors were complaining about the stuff flying during the deal, whatever. Hey, I'm not saying it's not bullshit. You know what I'm saying? But
the black lady lives across the street. He lived here a couple of months. Everything's fun. Next door neighbor's buddy. His brother-in-law down there is buddy. As soon as he gets to be friends with the black lady across the street, all shit hits the fan. Now they hate him.
Wait 2 months before my house caught on fire. He was telling people I should just light his house on fire.
Yeah, again.
They just want enough documented evidence to say it was arson.
And just like I said, man, I'm here on a neutral side.
I got you.
I'm not here on
I just
the
don't
parent
understand how
side.
even state of emergency can take your constitutional rights away from you.
Because I guess basically they're documenting on that it
goes back to the 10th Amendment that says unless the Constitution directly gives the federal government or the United States a right to do something, and a state doesn't forbid that right belongs to the state or to the people, right? So when you come
local government,
to the people or to the sheriff's department, okay, not to him, not the local government, the sheriff's department. So that would mean y'all would have to say that's a hazard, not them making that determination according to the 10th Amendment.
Well, my understanding on the state of emergency, the parents.
See you, Johnny. Y'all take care.
The only authority given to any force by the Constitution. See you later, Willie. Is the Sheriff's Department. That's the only authority given by the Constitution.
You got me on that one, my man. I'm not going to sit here and tell you I don't know.
I do know. I do know the Constitution. We can have a fun quiz on that.
What's that?
Appreciate you coming by.
No problem, sir.
I said we can have a fun quiz with the Constitution.
No, I'm not.
Look, I tell you what. I'll go get you a copy of it if you want one in my car. Would you like a copy?
No, I'm good. I got the internet.
Yeah, well, that's not. It don't come on hands-on.
Huh?
It's not hands-on when you need it.
See you, Grant. Be safe. Oh, yeah.
Judge's order.